Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. In today's video, we are going to discuss some MCQ questions on the CBSE Class 12 English chapter Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. Before starting, let us tell you a short summary on the poem. Aunt Jennifer's Tigers is a poem by Adrienne Rich that explores themes of female oppression and empowerment. It tells the story of Aunt Jennifer who creates vibrant, powerful tigers in her needlework, symbolizing strength and independence. In contrast, Aunt Jennifer herself is constrained by the oppressive weight of her marriage and societal expectations. The poem highlights the struggle between her artistic expression and the limitations placed on her, ultimately underscoring the desire for freedom and self-assertion in a patriarchal society. Now, let us move on to the MCQs. The first question is, who is the poet of the poem Aunt Jennifer's Tigers? Option A, Sylvia Plath. Option B, Adrienne Rich. Option C, Emily Dickinson. Option D, Robert Frost. The correct answer is option B, Adrienne Rich. The next question is, what do Aunt Jennifer's tiger represent in the poem? Option A, freedom and fearlessness. Option B, Aunt Jennifer's weakness. Option C, Aunt Jennifer's family. Option D, her love for animals. The correct answer is option A, freedom and fearlessness. The next question is, what is Aunt Jennifer doing in the poem? Option A, painting. Option B, sewing a tapestry. Option C, writing a letter. Option D, feeding tigers. The correct answer is option B, sewing a tapestry. The next question is, the tigers in the poem are described as option A, prancing across the screen. Option B, running through the forest. Option C, sleeping in a jungle. Option D, roaring loudly. The correct answer is option A, prancing across a screen. The next question is, how are Aunt Jennifer's hand described in the poem? Option A, bold and strong. Option B, shaking and frail. Option C, drenched in sweat. Option D, calm and peaceful. The correct answer is option B, shaking and frail. The next question is, what are Aunt Jennifer tiger symbolic of? Option A, her inner strength. Option B, her husband. Option C, domestic life. Option D, death. The correct answer is option A, her inner strength. The next question is, what is implied about Aunt Jennifer's marriage? Option A, it is oppressive. Option B, it is full of love. Option C, it is joyful. Option D, it is carefree. The correct answer is option A, it is oppressive. The next question is, the wedding band on Aunt Jennifer's hand represents option A, her happiness. Option B, her sense of duty. Option C, her oppression. Option D, her love for her husband. The correct answer is option C, her oppression. The next question is, what do the tigers symbolize in the terms of gender roles? Option A, male dominance. Option C. Option B, feminine freedom. Option C, fear of men. Option D, traditional roles. The correct answer is option B, feminine freedom. The next question is, Aunt Jennifer's tigers are described as Option A, ferocious and roaring. Option B, sleek and silent. Option C, fearless and confident. Option D, tame and calm. The correct answer is option C, fearless and confident. The next question is, what will happen to Aunt Jennifer when she dies according to the poem? Option A, she will be remembered for her bravery. Option B, she will be free from her burdens. Option C, she will be oppressed by her marriage. Option D, her artwork will be destroyed. The correct answer is option C, she will still be oppressed by her marriage. The next question is, the poet criticizes which aspect of Aunt Jennifer's life? Option A, her love for animals. Option B, the restriction imposed by the patriarchal society. Option C, her art skills. Option D, her family relationships. The correct answer is option B, the restriction imposed by patriarchal society. The next question is, which word best describes the tone of the poem? Option A, joyful. Option B, defiant. Option C, oppressive. Option D, neutral. The correct answer is option C, oppressive. The next question is, in the poem, Aunt Jennifer tigers are contrasted with Option A, the operation of a domestic life. Option B, her love for nature. Option C, her bold personality. Option D, her need for adventure. The correct answer is option A, the operation for a domestic life. The next question is, the word prancing in the poem symbolizes Option A, fear. Option B, freedom and joy. Option C, strength. Option D, anger. The correct answer is option B, freedom and joy. The next question is, what does Aunt Jennifer's use of ivory needle signify? Option A, domestic work. Option B, delicate femininity. Option C, wealth. Option D, resistance. The correct answer is option B, delicate femininity. The next question is, which of these is the theme of a poem? Option A, violence in nature. Option B, struggle for women's autonomy. Option C, war and peace. Option D, freedom of the tigers. The correct answer is option B, struggle for women's autonomy. The next question is, what does the phrase the massive weight of the uncle's wedding band represent? Option A, love and commitment. Option B, the operation of marriage. Option C, the joy of tradition. Option D, the family's wealth. The correct answer is option B, the operation of marriage. The next question is, the tigers in Aunt Jennifer's embroidery appear Option A, terrified of humans. Option B, confident and unafraid. Option C, subdued and gentle. Option D, running from danger. The correct answer is option B, confident and unafraid. The next question is, what will remain alive even after Aunt Jennifer's death? Option A, her embroidery of tigers. Option B, her operation. Option C, her fear of uncle. Option D, her memories. The correct answer is option A, her embroidery of tigers. The next question is, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Option A, AB, AB. Option B, AA, BB. Option C, AB, CB. Option D, free verse. The correct answer is option B, AABB. The next question is, Aunt Jennifer's life is compared to option A, joyful journey. Option B, a quiet suffering. Option C, a celebratory event. Option D, a powerful rebellion. The correct answer is option B, a quiet suffering. The next question is, the poem contrasts the tigers with Aunt Jennifer's. Option A, fear and submissiveness. Option B, strength and courage. Option C, wealth and pride. Option D, love for her husband. The correct answer is option A, fear and submissiveness. The next question is, what is Aunt Jennifer afraid of? Option A, the tigers. Option B, her domestic responsibilities. Option C, her husband. Option D, her needlework. The correct answer is option C, her husband. The next question is, the tiger in Aunt Jennifer's art embody. Option A, her desire to escape. Option B, her submission to tradition. Option C, her fear of the future. Option D, her defiance against oppression. The correct answer is option D, her defiance towards oppression. The next question is, Aunt Jennifer's hands are described as option A, fearful. Option B, fearless. Option C, frail. Option D, firm. The correct answer is option C, frail. The next question is, what do the tiger's movements signify in the poem? Option A, timidity. Option B, apathy. Option C, energetic freedom. Option D, confusion. The correct answer is option C, energetic freedom. The next question is, the theme of gender inequality in the poem is portrayed through option A, the contrast between Aunt Jennifer and the tigers. Option B, Aunt Jennifer's love for her husband. Option C, the presence of the uncle. Option D, the beauty of the tigers. The correct answer is option A, the contrast between Aunt Jennifer and the tigers. The next question is, Aunt Jennifer's tiger will go on prancing even after option A, Aunt Jennifer's death. Option B, the tiger's extinction. Option C, the uncle's death. Option D, the marriage ends. The correct answer is option A, Aunt Jennifer's death. The next question is, Aunt Jennifer's burden in the poem is symbolized by option A, the embroidery. Option B, the wedding band. Option C, the tigers. Option D, the needle. The correct answer is option B, the wedding band. The next question is, the wedding band represents Aunt Jennifer's option A, love for her uncle. Option B, financial status. Option C, subjugation in marriage. Option D, devotion to tradition. The correct answer is option C, subjugation in marriage. The next question is, Adrian Rich is known for her themes of option A, nature. Option B, feminism and oppression. Option C, adventure. Option D, childhood memories. The correct answer is option B, feminism and oppression. The next question is, the tiger's fearlessness represents option A, Aunt Jennifer's repressed desires. Option B, her family's power. Option C, her desire for wealth. Option D, her love for animals. The correct answer is option A, Aunt Jennifer repressed desires. The next question is, what type of needlework is Aunt Jennifer doing? Option A, knitting. Option B, embroidery. Option C, crochet. Option D, weaving. The correct answer is option B, embroidery. The next question is, the proud and unafraid tigers symbolize option A, masculine strength. Option B, Aunt Jennifer hidden courage. Option C, the tiger's royalty. Option D, the uncle's dominance. The correct answer is option B, Aunt Jennifer's hidden courage. The next question is, what is dominant theme in the poem? Option A, the beauty of nature. Option B, the oppression of women in patriarchal society. Option C, the joy of marriage. Option D, the power of animals. The correct answer is option B, the oppression of women in patriarchal society. The next question is, what does Aunt Jennifer wish for through her tigers? Option A, wealth. Option B, freedom and courage. Option C, love. Option D, power. The correct answer is option B, freedom and courage. The next question is, how does the poet represent Aunt Jennifer's tigers? Option A, as symbols of joy. Option B, as symbols of masculine power. Option C, as symbols of feminine empowerment. Option D, as symbols of violence. The correct answer is option C, as symbols of feminine empowerment. The next question is, how does the tone change at the end of the poem? Option A, it becomes more joyful. Option B, it becomes more sorrowful. Option C, it becomes more assertive. Option D, it remains the same. The correct answer is option B, it becomes more sorrowful. The next question is, what does Aunt Jennifer's trembling hand signify? Option A, her fear and submission. Option B, her excitement. Option C, her happiness. Option D, her freedom. The correct answer is option A, her fear and submission. The next question is, Aunt Jennifer's struggles are primarily option A, physical. Option B, financial. Option C, emotional and psychological. Option D, social. The correct answer is option C, emotional and psychological. The next question is, What do the tigers represent for Aunt Jennifer? Option A, her true self. Option B, her wealth. Option C, her traditional values. Or option D, her family's heritage. The correct answer is option A, her true self. The next question is, what is Aunt Jennifer's relationship with her artwork? Option A, it's a form of escape. Option B, it's a duty. Option C is a final obligation. Or option D, it's an oppressive task. The correct answer is option A, it's a form of escape. The next question is, why is the wedding band described as massive? Option A, it represents wealth. Option B, symbolizes her operation. Option C, it is made of heavy metal. Option D, it shows love. The correct answer is option B, it symbolizes her operation. The next question is, what is the primary poetic device used in the poem? Option A, simile. Option B, symbolism. Option C, metaphor. Option D, personification. The correct answer is option B, symbolism. The next question is, the tigers live in contrast to Aunt Jennifer's. Option A, timid and oppressed life. Option B, bold and adventurous life. Option C, wealthy and privileged status. Option D, artistic fame. The correct answer is option A, timid and oppressed life. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library.